Okay, so here for this question, we have this diagram that shows kind of a pulley system with two different objects. We have one that has a mass of 10 and one that has a mass of 100. So obviously M2 is greater than M1. So now to find the acceleration, we're going to have to work with two different equations, one for M2 and one for M1. So here is the equation for M1 and here is the equation for M2. So we have that T minus M1 times the gravity is equal to the mass of M1 times the acceleration, plus the mass of M2, or M2 times the gravity minus the tension is equal to the mass of the second object times acceleration. Now if we add these two, we can see here that we can cross out the common factor of tension and we'll have we can take out also the common factor gravity, and we'll have gravity times M2 minus M1 over M1 plus M2. And here we have that we take out the common acceleration, and then we can divide both sides by M1, M2. Here we cross it out, so we're left with that acceleration is equal to the gravity, which is 10, times the mass of M2, which is 100, minus the mass of M1, which is 10, over the mass of the first one plus the mass of the second one. Now, if we solve this, we're going to see that the answer is 8.2 meters per second squared. That's the acceleration of the pulley. Now we can use this equation to find the tension T. So the tension is in the direction of M1. So we have M1 times the acceleration plus M1 times the gravity. So we know that the acceleration was 8.2, so we're multiplying that by the mass of M1, which is 10. And we're adding the mass of M1, which is 10, by gravity, which is approximately 10. So that means that our answer is approximately 178.2 kilograms. That is the tension of this system.